Average office workers switch tasks over 300 times daily, taking nearly 23 minutes to refocus after each disruption alone. Welcome to the Focused Life YouTube channel, engineered to help you drastically improve your daily focus and cognitive potential. Mastering your cognitive potential means unlocking your brain's natural power to think clearly, stay sharp, and execute hard tasks. Why do you sit down motivated, only to spend hours fighting an exhausting mental battle against distracting urges and cognitive freeze? This constant struggle drains precious cognitive resources, leading to exhaustion, frustration, and unfinished tasks cluttering your life's path. Cognitive potential is your brain's inherent capacity for clarity, sharp thinking, and efficient execution, unaffected by mental fog. Your brain naturally possesses the power for deep concentration and sharp thought. We help you tap into this innate ability. Harvard Health reports that mindfulness, cognitive training, and healthy lifestyles can significantly help sharpen your ability to concentrate. Mindfulness meditation is a well-researched cognitive intervention shown to significantly improve executive attention and sustained focus. Studies show just 5 days of 20-minute meditation sessions can significantly improve executive attention scores on validated tests. Meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, your brain's executive control center, while reducing reactivity in the amygdala, your emotional alarm. Regular practice reduces activity in the default mode network, the brain system responsible for mind wandering, leading to greater focus. Attention isn't one skill, it's 3 networks: alerting, readiness, orienting, directing focus, and executive, conflict resolution. The alerting network maintains your state of readiness and responsiveness. Coffee primarily affects this system, making you feel awake. The orienting network directs your attention towards specific features or locations, whether voluntary or detecting unexpected stimuli. The executive network manages conflict, error detection, and complex decisions, enabling you to resist distractions and maintain focus. Adopting healthy habits like a Mediterranean diet, proper sleep, and stress reduction can support brain health and concentration. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, has been shown to support overall brain health and cognitive function. Adequate sleep is crucial for cognitive function. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea can significantly undermine your ability to concentrate. We are bombarded with information from screens, texts, and emails, burdening our filtering systems and causing easy distraction. Selective attention acts as your brain sensor, filtering out distractions to let you focus on what truly matters. Research shows multitasking can actually erode memory skills and negatively impact your ability to deeply process information. Just like any system, your brain needs essential downtime to rest, consolidate information, and maintain optimal performance. This channel provides practical, proven strategies to overcome focus challenges and maintain your brain's inherent alertness and fitness. You'll gain tools to help you think clearly, stay sharp, and cut through the mental clutter that often hinders progress. Learn how to execute demanding tasks without freezing up, turning complex challenges into achievable steps with sustained focus. Join us on The Focused Life as we explore science-backed ways to master your cognitive potential and live a sharper life. Subscribe now for daily updates and actionable insights designed to help you unlock your brain's natural power to stay sharp. It's time to tune up your ability to tune out distractions, bolster your brain's agility, and reclaim your mental edge. You have the power within to think clearly, stay sharp, and execute any task. Let's unlock it together. Start your journey with us to a more focused, productive, and fulfilling life. Subscribe to The Focused Life today.